Okay, YouTubers, so today we're looking at the Good Earth LED shop lights. These are the 44-inch 10,000 lumen shop lights. So I already have some Good Earth LED shop lights, and these are a little bit different from what I've installed already. I really enjoy them. They're really good quality. I haven't had any issues with them. They're the right color for the shop. And I have had issues with some of the wing lights that I've been running with the wings going out, and I'm replacing those with some more. And if I have issues with those wing lights, then I'm just going to go back to standard LED bulbs, because I'm sick and tired of paying $30 to $50 for wing lights that just end up going out. But as far as LED shop lights, like these LED bars, I haven't had any issues with, so I'm installing two more just in case I ever do have issues. And right now I have two of the lights going this direction in the garage, the width of the garage. I'm going to run these two new ones the length of the garage, so I have decent lighting basically everywhere. And the thing that differs from these to the ones that I have already mounted, the Good Earths that I have mounted already, have a motion sensor on them, which I don't use anyways. I just have them wirelessly remote controlled, so I can turn them on from a remote by the door. And you can link 4 of these together on one outlet. If you run more than 4, then it has to go to separate outlets to not exceed the 480 watts. These are 44 inches and they have 2 light settings. So you have a 5,000 lumen output and then you have a 10,000 lumen output. So here it shows you get 2 12-inch chains, a durable construction, 5-foot cord, 10,000 lumens, the plastic end caps, auxiliary 5 amp outlet so you can link them together, the 2-step dimming so you have the choice between 5,000 and 10,000 lumens. You got a pull chain on this one instead of the motion sensor. The other ones that I have are 6,000 lumens, I believe, with the motion sensor, and they run $50. These ones run $40 and are 5 to 10,000 lumens, so a little bit different. Direct linking, and here it states link up to 4 fixtures together for a total of, to not exceed a total of 480 watts to operate off of one outlet. And these ones are 44 inches by 4 inches and then 2.13 inches in height. Here's the color rating of it. There's the brand right there. And you can flush mount these or hang them by the chain. I'm going to do mine by the chain like I have the other two. We're going to go ahead and get these mounted up, and we'll see what it looks like, and we'll compare the 5,000 lumen and 10,000 lumen and see what it looks like compared to the other two at, I want to say, 6,000 lumens. But it does include the light, the wall anchors, the hooks, and the chains, and then the light itself, obviously. So we'll go ahead and get this set up and see what it looks like. So we have the new lights running the length of the garage from front to back, and then we have the old ones running the width of the garage, and they're both Good Earth. And the ones that I've had hung, like I stated earlier, are 6,000 lumens with a motion sensor accessory, which I do not use. And then the new ones that we hung up are 5,000 or 10,000 lumens without a motion sensor. And each one of these ran $40 for the new ones and $50 for the ones that I picked up a year or two ago. All fantastic. Right now I have the new lights set on the 5,000 lumens. I will turn this one on to 10 after I turn them on, just so you can kind of see. Now the difficult thing on camera is this is probably going to self-adjust, and then you'll also notice that they will be more of a warmer light than the LED shop wing lights that I have on right now. But these LED light bars provide a lot of good calm lighting, which is great for working and for when I'm making certain videos. So whether you're working or whatever, these things produce a lot of light, and I really enjoy them. I haven't had any issues with the old design, and I think these new ones are going to be a great addition. And then I have them ran to a wireless remote outlet up there by the garage door opener, so I can turn them on from my workbench. So let me go ahead and turn them on, and just keep in mind that there's probably going to be the camera self-adjusting to the light, things like that. So when I switch this one over here to 10,000 lumens, you may notice it at first and then it may adjust. I'm not sure, so we'll see how it turns out. overall I think they provide a lot of good lighting. So there you can kind of see how they're more of a warmer, yellower color compared to the wing lights, but they still look extremely good. They provide a lot of lighting, and I have them set on the lowest one because I have 4 in just a 2-car garage. I think that's plenty. I think it's plenty of light for in here. It provides good area light for all corners of the garage. So I think this is going to be fantastic. Like I said, I've had very good experiences with the original ones, and now that I have some running the other direction, it kind of takes up that dead space. So it's definitely really bright in here. I don't think the video actually does it any justice. These are a very affordable, good way to provide yourself some good quality lighting. Like, these wing lights aren't always quality lighting because yes, they provide a lot of bright white light, but sometimes they're blinding. And I've had 3 different brands now. They're all, you know, the Amazon brands. They run anywhere from $30 to $50 for a set of 2, and they do provide a lot of light. But I've had 2 brands, and I always buy 2 packs, and I've had an issue with 2 of them total now. There's 2 brands, and the wings just start going out on them after about a year, which is nowhere near 50,000 hours that they supposedly last. So if these ones start to have any issues, I have 1 extra left, and then after that we'll figure out something else. But as far as the LED light bars, the hanging ones, never had an issue, and I run them quite a bit. So definitely a good investment if you're looking to brighten up your work area, that's for sure. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Once again, these are Good Earth LED light bars, or garage shop lights. I purchased mine at Menards, but I'm sure you can find them online, multiple different locations. If I do find them, I will make sure to have them linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys haven't already, please consider subscribing. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, feel free to drop a comment down below as well, and I'll see you guys next time.